What up, YouTube? Finally, got this big old turd. It's been a minute, but I honestly don't think I've showed you guys what I've got going on here. So, we take a little journey around the mini trailer. This is the end game. Matching wheels and tires with the Jeep. I'm gonna throw this new axle under it that's a little wider than the stock one on there. That's kind of goofy. But I first swapped the axle underneath the leaves, but then I did that before these tires. Now I got these wheels and tires, and now I think it's gonna be a little too tall. So with that, we're gonna get to swapping this axle out and see what our ride height is with the new wheels and tires, along with new fenders. I'll have to do new fenders too. So, no big deal. But we'll get going on it, see how she turns out. So, as you can see here, I gained about, I think it was 10 inches that I added to it. So from face to face, I think is what it was. So that way, 8 inches. I've got 8 inches more, so 4 on each side, obviously, and that should compensate for the width of the offset of the new wheels compared to those little farm tires, tractor wheels before. So hopefully my measurements were right. Guess there's only one way to find out. That's it. Good boy. Shake. It's a good boy. Anyways, we got the axle on. So, see, it's got a pretty good poke on it. That's what she said. So, well, pretty sure it can't get this on there with that fender in the way. Yeah. So let me get these fenders off and we'll try and get these tires mounted on tonight. All right, here we are. Tires and wheels are on, axle's on. Everything looks good. Got a pretty good gap there in between the tire and the actual trailer, the frame of it. So, doesn't look half bad. The next big project is definitely going to be fenders. I'll probably just do some flat coming off of here and then just angle it up and over. I probably won't go full width, probably get them at least out to here. It'll be good to step on. I'll have something to get up and on with the tent being whatever, yay high. But let me get all this insides put back together, and I'll show you around. All right, here we are. Got the inside all put back together. This is all insulated inside. The walls in here have this plastic stuff. I'm not sure what it is. The floor is also insulated. It's a 1/2 inch plywood on the bottom, and then this same insulation, and then this rubber mat. All these are insulated. I do have a strip of insulation for this, but I mean, I don't really think that I'll be doing much with that, so, or needing it that much. So, back door closes, latches. I think we're all set. Just gonna put it down so we can see ride height. Yeah, that should be good. Probably good height. Also, if I needed it a little higher, I could always put the axle back underneath the leaf springs, because I did put it back over. I thought it was going to be a lot higher than this, so I guess we'll just have to compare it to the Jeep when it's actually hooked up and everything, and step back and look at it. We'll see. The issue I was having with the Leafs is this shackle with a lot of weight in there. It just folds up and under and actually just sits flush against this and binds up. So I gotta figure something out with that. Maybe shocks or something, but should be all set. Fenders are next, so stay tuned for that. We'll check in hopefully here in a little bit. I don't want to wait too long to get I'm gonna build the tent rack on top of this. So first I gotta decide ride height with the axle and stuff, because if I do end up putting it back under the Leafs, I don't want to have the tent rack too high or too low. I want to get it just right, so we'll see where that goes. Anyways, see you later.